Hi, my name is Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Now we're going to work on our word for the week. This week's word is elevate. Elevate means to raise something to a higher position, level, or status. And that could be physically, it could be emotionally, or socially. As examples, let's say that you are working out at a gym and you want to elevate yourself physically. Maybe you are able to go from lifting 10 pounds of weight to 20 pounds of weight. Or perhaps you're in an office setting and you were a vice president in a company and now you're the president. So basically elevating means to lift up, to go higher. Some synonyms could be to lift, to promote, or advance. Remember, synonyms mean the same. Antonyms or opposites would be to demote, to lower, or to drop. In our sample sentence, the coach's encouragement helped elevate the team's confidence before the game. So he had a little pep talk with them, their spirits were elevated, they felt good about themselves, and they were able to play better. All right, so our word elevate, to raise something to a higher position. And that is our word of the week. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.